Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today I am in Cocoa Beach, Florida, and the event is Jamaican Me Crazy. It's a weekly event, guys, but it's my first time being here and I am so excited. I am even more excited because the band that is playing is a Jamaican band. The name of it is the Top Hill Crew. I have heard so many good things about them, guys. But stay with me and let's listen to the band. Let's rock to the rhythm and let's just have a ball this evening, guys. I may not speak to you before the end of this video, but just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rhythm with me, guys. Your Top Hill Crew. Tell me, why Top Hill Crew? Why Top Hill? Okay. Okay. What parish? Saint. Okay.
He said Top Hill Crew.
Okay.
I said THC.
THC. Okay.
I know it's THC.
Yes. Top Hill Crew. Yes.
That's the logo right there.
Nice. Nice. Yes. Top Hill Crew. And so, how long have you been together? 6-7 years. And let me see, 7 members. Yes. Okay. Okay. And where are you based?
Based in this area.
Oh, this area. Okay, guys, this is.
We live in different areas, but we meet and rehearse.
Okay, you're based in this area. Guys, this is Cocoa Beach.
Yeah, Cocoa Beach.
In your car, I'll play it in your disco. You will look confused when I just miss you. Hip hop, with a look at the cover. Honest to go, you like old school. Try and hate and that's the new school. Let's take it back to the school of old school. Recycle it and I'm smiling. Everybody work, hey, in the future. This was gonna make you go till your body hurt. We're gonna take until the morning light. Body work, hey, in the future, hey, this was gonna make you go till your body hurt. We're gonna dance until the morning light. Just shake, rattle and roll and keep it jiggy jiggy. All my girls get low and keep it freaky freaky. let loose. Come on, me, let's hit. I'm Mr. DJ.